I always knew you were on our side, John, but I hope you are at the end of this forecast, because it's going to be all change. Much colder weather, some snowfall, particularly for the higher ground in northern and eastern parts of Britain. In fact, that change is already starting. This cold front pushing its way southwards into northeastern areas of Scotland. The northerly winds, at the moment though, strongest across the eastern part of England, down in towards East Anglia. Those winds pushing their way into the continent. Elsewhere, the winds are going to be quite light, and that means that frost is going to be a feature. Certainly quite widespread frost on Tuesday. I think frost on in many areas right through this coming week, but a little bit more patchy as we see some cloud around from about midweek onwards. At the moment though, we have showers, some in the southwest, but also a lot over northeastern parts of Scotland, and those are now turning increasingly wintry with some snow on the higher ground. That snow getting to lower and lower levels as we go through the afternoon. But this central part of the country will be dry and bright. In fact, it will brighten up over the east too, but not too much sunshine in the far eastern part of England. Now, overnight tonight, the showers are going to continue over northern and northeastern parts of Scotland with snow on the high ground, and we'll find some rain also coming into southwestern parts of England and some southern parts of Wales. So those two areas probably just about frost-free, but this large central area could well see a frost tonight. The lowest temperatures over southern Scotland could be as low as -4 degrees. On Monday, that central area dry with some sunshine. Heavy showers across the north, and they're going to be pushing their way south. As you can see, a lot of snowfall likely over the highest ground. Some showers too pushing into the Irish Sea. But the more persistent rain in the south will tend to ease away, so brighter skies coming to Wales and southern parts of England. A colder day, temperatures in about 5 or 6 across many central and northern areas. Then for the middle part of the week, this area of low pressure meandering around the North Sea does mean that eastern coastal areas will see some cloud and some showers, but we'll have the high pressure establishing itself more generally by the end of the week. So Tuesday, probably the peak of the wintriness in the showers, snowfall over the high ground, even some of the lower ground in the northeast, even a few flakes of snow in some of those showers over central parts of England on Tuesday. As we go through the next couple of days, whilst the showers are going to continue near the coast, I think temperatures just a shade higher day by day, so less in the way of snow. And the brightest weather also in the west going to continue with some patches of freezing fog overnight. By Friday, the showers really confined to those eastern coasts, still wintry over the higher ground of Scotland, more in the way of drier and brighter weather. Here's the summary to finish. Eastern areas seeing plenty of showers, some snow on the hills, particularly in the northeast. Most of the dry and bright weather across western areas, but overnight frost on many of the nights.